Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning once again. Good morning to all of you. Now, children, as I told you yesterday to bring newspaper. I hope many of you. Yes, Mohammed Moin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Asta. Good morning, Dhi. Good morning. Please join on time next time, please.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am, I
morning.
finished on time, but by mistakenly I leave the class. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Now, sit properly. Listen the instructions carefully. Okay, children, I'm not going to send you we will not write the index in the class, but I'll show you how the index will be today, so that I will send in the classroom. Good morning. I'm going to present my screen and I'll show you how the index will look like. Today's index, is this visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your today's index. You no need to write it right now. Once I will post it in the classroom, then you will copy it down in your notebooks. This is today's index. We will cover all the topics. First, we start with one activity with the newspaper. Then we will learn the expanded form and the short form, which we have already done in the recap lesson, first lesson. But we will do with the large numbers today. Big numbers आ जाएं, बहुत सारे बड़े-बड़े numbers आ जाएं. So how you will do the expanded form and the short form. Then we will do the comparing the numbers, which is greater, which is lesser, which also we have discussed, but with the smaller numbers. Now today we will do with the larger numbers. Ascending and descending order, also we have done the recap with the smaller numbers. Now we do with the larger numbers. Then again we do, after ascending and descending, one activity based on forming smallest and the greatest number using the given digits. That I will first do and then I will explain you how to do it. And then we will form some greatest and the smallest number using the given digits. Index is clear to you all? Okay. No need to write it right now. I will send this in the classroom, then you copy down the index. Am I clear to you all? Okay. Now, everyone take newspaper. As I told you to bring the newspaper. Our first activity is with the newspaper. I also have children, if you have Gujarati newspaper, some children have written in the chat box also in the comment box that ma'am, I have Gujarati newspaper. Children, I don't need to do anything with the language which is, but you please check. I think the numbers also given in the Gujarati newspaper. So then you need to, yes, if the numbers are in Gujarati, then there is no use of the Gujarati newspaper. Either Hindi and then either English. Okay. Now on the first page, on from your first page of this newspaper, you have to find any two big number, large numbers, where the 5-6 digit ka numbers ढूंढो इसके अंदर, and you need to circle it or you need to underline it. In this nowadays, no, you see many data is coming in the newspaper in numbers. Yes, you always see, if you have a habit of reading the newspaper, of if you have a habit of seeing the newspaper, you must observe that some data in newspaper comes in numbers. So find any two large numbers. For example, in my newspaper, I have found this number which is here. The data is given here is 1,25,000. Okay, the data is 1,25,324. So my first the number is 1,25,324. This is my first number. You also find one number, two numbers, and write their number name in your notebook. And write the heading on the new page activity.
Ma'am. Ma'am, with the pen.
With the pen, yes, you are using the pen only.
Ma'am, I found 3 lakh
You
7.
write in your notebook. Okay, then one by one I will call your name and I will ask the number name also.
Ma'am, how many number we have to find?
Two group.
Okay, ma'am.
So first number is this. If I want to write the number name of this number, I will write 1 lakh. This is my number. Your number will be different. Find out from the newspaper and write the number. My number is this. So I'm writing the number name of this number. 1 lakh. Yes.
How many numbers we have to find?
2. And write the number name and write the heading activity and write today's date and write C.W. Write today's date. Write activity, write C.W. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to copy your number or our number?
No, not my number, your number. Because that is why I told you to bring the newspaper in the class.
It can be 6 or 7 numbers also.
Yes. It can be any number.
Okay.
Circle that number and write it in your notebook. 1,05,324. This is my number. No need to copy this. You take your number from the newspaper. If somebody forgot to bring the newspaper, then they can copy my number. If anyone is not having the newspaper with them, then they can do my number and write the number name. If you have newspaper, then circle 2 numbers and first write the number, then write the number name of that number. 24. This is my first number. And then I need to find out one more. My another number is 2,98,737. 2,98,737. This is my another number. And those who are copying my number, I will not write the number name of the next number. Please write it by your own. 2,09,000, because you need to put the places at the top so that you will not get confused. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. So 2,98,737. Am I clear with everyone? This activity is clear to you all what to do? Show me thumbs up. Moin, is this clear to you? What we are doing? Vedi? Very good. Show me thumbs up. If you are clear with the activity, what you all are doing. You need to learn the number names. And that we are bringing into your practical life. That we see numbers everywhere. How we read the numbers and how we write the numbers. That is why I told you to bring the newspaper. Am I clear? Now I'm taking, yes, wait a minute, my dear. Let me take the attendance. Then I'll come back to you. Okay, which child was telling me the excuse me? Now, one by one, I will call your name. Riddhi. Riddhi, can you tell me your number?
Yes, ma'am. 2020 and 890.
2020.
Yes.
2020 and 890. How this?
19.
890. But 2020, how you will write this? 2020 and in 819. This is wrong.
Ma'am, it is different.
Yeah, you show me please your notebook. I want to see your notebook. You have written okay, there are 2 numbers. Okay, 2020 and 819. Excellent. In 2020, please put a comma according to Indian system. Children, whenever you are writing numbers, please put comma according to Indian system. Yes, Jignesh, tell me your number and show me to your notebook.
Ma'am, I am doing, but I have written the number.
Show. Wait a minute. Show me your notebook. Okay. You have not written the heading 29. You have not written the heading is activity, date, classwork, C.W. The way Riddhi has presented her work neatly.
Yes, ma'am, I am doing that.
Vihan Vyas, tell me your number. Tell me your number and number name.
1,25,249.
So how you have written? Just show me your notebook. It is not clearly visible. Bring it down. 1,25,000. No. The way you were showing before, same way you please show me. जैसे आप मुझे पे हाँ 25,000 25 what 25 No, 25,000 मिस किया है आपने 1000 की स्पेलिंग एंड 2 की स्पेलिंग भी आपकी रॉन्ग है TWO will be 2 240 spelling is also wrong FORTY is 40 not FOURTY is 40 clear Vihan Vyas so
Yeah,
please do the correction
Yeah.
Children, when I will send you the worksheet based on today's topic, along with that, you please attach your classwork also. Pritika, mute your mic. Vedi, tell me your number, then I will move ahead with the another topic.
Ma'am, yes, 6,95,000.
Show me your number the way you have written in your notebook. It is not visible. Bring it towards the camera. Camera ke beech mein lao. No.
My done. Yes. Done, ma'am.
Arav, yes, tell me what happened.
Done, ma'am.
Very good. Arav, tell me one number.
See, ma'am.
Vedi, mute. Wait a minute. Vedi, wait.
But, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Who is saying doubt?
Me.
Me who? Tell your name.
Teddy. Doubt.
Okay. Vedi, tell me what is your doubt.
Ma'am, it's 6,95,000, then 3 zeros. How will I write that?
6,95,000. Nothing is in 100 and nothing is in tens and ones. So 9,500. Okay, 95,000. Sorry.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a lakh digit that 9,46,052, and in hundreds place it is 0. So how I can write it? 9,46,000 0 53.
So you will write 9,46,053. Have you noticed yesterday also when I have sent one worksheet, it was 6 lakh. It was like this 6,55,022. It was like this 6,25,022. Nothing is here on the 100 place. So I write 0.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, see. Ma'am,
Very good.
Excuse me, ma'am. I joined down because in my the power gone. So what we are doing? Excuse me,
Please
ma'am.
first, children, if you all talk together, then it will be very difficult. Who was saying about the power gone?
Ma'am,
Tell your name.
Pritika.
Pritika, we have done one activity based on number names. As I told you to bring the newspaper, you need to find the Jignesh, I have seen. So put it down only. So you need to find any 2 numbers from the newspaper and write their number names. Okay. Now we will go clear. One child was
Ma'am, I want
asking.
to ask one thing.
Wait, Shivani. Dhwani, this is clear. 9,46,053. Nothing is at the 100 place. We skip 100 place. Yes, Shivani, what is your problem?
Ma'am, I am right. My number is 2000. So how will I write in the number name?
2000 only. 2000 is like this. So it will be number name only will be the 2000. Clear? Now, in your notebook, open new page. Open new page on your notebook and write the heading expanded form. And write today's date, write C.W, write the heading expanded form and short form. This is the number 65. Wait, expanded form only. You write expanded form and short form. Then write question 1. Write in expanded form.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, Arav.
Ma'am.
Dhwani, wait. Arav, yes, tell me what is the problem?
Thing, ma'am.
Yes, Dhwani.
Yeah, ma'am, I was saying that in the activity, I have got one more number. I have to write the number name like this: 1,08,000. Because it is not 1, 8, and 4 zeros.
1, 8 and 4 zeros. So you write ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. So it will be 1,80,000. That's why I told you whenever you write the number name, you write the places clear, Dhwani? Write in expanded form. The number is 65,098. Expanded form, how you will do the expanded form of the numbers? You have to expand the numbers according to their place values. Am I audible to you all? Show me thumbs up.
Ma'am, I can't see what are you writing.
Now check, Shivani.
Ma'am, it's coming blood.
Within a 1 or 2 seconds, it will come properly. Okay.
Now it's
Write in expanded form. How you will expand the number? If it is 65,098, you will expand the number according to their place value. Yesterday we have learned about the place value. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 10,000 means 6 multiplied by or you will say that how many, wait a minute, 6 is at the 10,000 place. So 6 you write, then after 6, how many zeros are coming? One, or how many numbers are coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. Put 4 zeros. Then put a plus sign. Then write 5. After 5, how many digits are there? 3. Put 3 zeros. So it is 60,000, 5,000, 65,000 together. Now plus 5, nothing is here. 0 means, so you either write 0 or either you can skip the 0. Plus 9. Now after 9 there are one digit only. Put the 0 and then write 8. 65,098. You will expand it in this form.
Ma'am, we have to write the that 6,000.
Yes, it is 60,000.
Yes, 60,000 plus 50,
5,000.
55,000 plus 0 plus 90 plus 8.
Yes, this is the expanded form of a number. How you expand the number? By putting a plus sign. And how we will expand a number? With their place values. So 60,006 having 1, 2, 3, 4 now digits. So 4 zeros. 5 having after that 1, 2, 3 digits. Put the 3 values. Or either you can do in this way also with the place values. 6 multiplied by 10,000 because its place value is 10,000. 5 multiplied by 1,000 because its place value is 1,000. Am I clear? आपको place value से multiply करके निकालना or either the way I have done.
We can skip the we can skip the 0.
You can skip the 0 also or directly write this. And plus sign should come. So please take a note. This should come in a one single line. For example, 60,000 plus 5,000 plus either you skip 0 or write 0 or 90 plus 8. If you want to write 0, you can write. If you want to skip, you can skip also. Yes, Dwayne, write it fast. Next is one more example I'll give you that I will ask from a child. That child has to give me the answer. I'm going to erase this. The B number is 34,956. Now, Earth will tell me, Earth, can you please tell me how you will expand this number?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how you will expand this number.
3 number.
Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So you will write. कैसे expand करोगे Earth? Tell me fast. 3, write 3, and how many digits are there after 3?
Ma'am, 4 0.
So 4 zeros. Next number is which number?
4.
How many digits after 4?
3 0.
Plus, which number is the next one?
9.
How many zeros will come after 9?
2 0.
2. Then which number will come?
50.
Done, ma'am.
5 with 0. Then which number will come next?
6.
6. So I need to put a 0 with the 6 also?
No.
No. Please don't take help from anyone. You have to understand in your class. You need to give the answer in your class. If you want to children copy down this also, please copy it down. Then I will do the next sum. As we have written expanded form, now write the short form. Children, expanded form एक और तरीके का आता है. I'll tell you. If you read that, don't get confused कि ये क्या आ गया. Books में आपको कहीं भी मिलेगा. This is 33, 10,000 plus No need to write, just understand. इस टाइप का भी आपको एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म मिलेगा. 310,000 प्लस 4,000 प्लस 900 प्लस 5 tens प्लस 6 ones. ये भी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म का ही एक टाइप है. So don't get confused. What is this? This is not the number name. This is the expanded form with their place values. So don't get confused कि ये क्या
we
है.
have to write.
No, just understand. This is also the expanded form. 310,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 5 tens plus 6 ones. जब भी नंबर अपनी प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ लिखा गया है, and number plus the place value, number and place value means this is written in the expanded form. This is not the number name. हाँ.
Ma'am, that first one was 6,598.
Yes, 65,098, not 500. It was 0 at the 100 place. Now write this.
After 6,000,
It was this number.
okay, but I have to do 6,000 plus 500.
Not 500, 5,000. This is the 5 is having 1,000 place.
Okay, ma'am.
This is 60,006. So it will be 60,000 because it's the 10,000 pe hai ye. So 60,000, 5,000, 0, 90, 100, 8. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now write the short form. Write the short form. $20,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 4. इसका short form कैसे लिखोगे? 20,000 is the highest value, so you write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, because the highest is 20,000. तो 10,000 तक आपकी places होनी चाहिए. So you write 20,000, 4,000, 924. सिर्फ आपको इसका फर्स्ट नंबर ले लेना है. 24924. Clear with the short form? Short form is clear to you all. Now Viha will give me one example. Viha,
Yes,
give me one example how to write expanded form in a short form. कोई भी numbers बोलो, expanded form में उसका short form बनाना है.
okay, ma'am.
9,000 plus
500. 84.
80 plus 4. Now you need to write the short form of this. So your highest is 9,000. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000 is the highest place. So 9 will come under the 1,000, 5 will come under the 100, 8 will come under the tens, and 4 will come under the ones. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write how to compare the numbers. Next is comparing numbers. Compare with greater than,
Excuse
less
me,
than.
ma'am.
Yes.
What is after 9,000 plus 500?
plus 80 plus 4. She has given one example.
Okay.
Compare with the greater sign, with the lesser sign, or with the equal to sign. And be quick, be faster, children.
Ma'am,
I'll give you
the
some
first
numbers.
one is
Yes.
less than, no?
Yes?
The first sign is the lesser than, no?
Yeah, you can put the lesser sign also first. One lakh 23,456. 1,23,457. Now, which sign will you will put? Which sign you will put? Who will tell me? Krishiv, are you doing your work?
Ma'am, I can tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
we
you're
have.
not see. So,
Now check. Clearly visible?
more. Ma'am, I can tell.
Yes. Who told I can tell? Asta?
Astha.
Yes, Asta, please tell me.
Yes. Less than.
Less than. Good. Next is 1,11,100. 1,10,100. Yes, Vihan Vyas. Which sign will come?
1,11,100.
Is what? Is what?
This side sign.
Greater than. What this side and that side? Tell me the sign name. This is less than sign. This is greater than sign. So greater than this number. Sometimes some numbers come equal to also the same numbers. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have put greater than and less than. You have put less than. Ma'am, what
This is this is greater than sign.
Ma'am, what is after one by 23?
One by one. One by one. Vedi, Shivani, Harsh, Keshwani, mute your mic. Yes, Harsh, Keshwani.
Ma'am, I was having no doubt I by mistake on the mic.
So mute your mic. Yes, Harsh, Keshwani, what was your problem?
Ma'am, your right one is not see. I can't see the full.
Now check.
Yes.
Now check. Vedi,
Yes.
what was your difficulty?
Same. I can't
Now,
see the full board.
now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do this faster.
Ma'am, I have put first greater than sign over compare greater than or less.
What are you telling, Dhwani?
Ma'am, you have put that compare first less than. I have put greater than. Is it okay?
No problem. Is it okay? Children, if you know, okay. As I told you, I give you a short description about this. The activity which I told you yesterday to bring some numbers, right? See, this way, when I told you yesterday to bring, write the 0 to 9 numbers, those who are ready, show me thumbs up. Okay. What you do is,
Ma'am, what is after 4 and 5 in the A1?
4, 4, 5, 6.
Next one, next number.
1 1,23,457.
And last one.
1,11,100. Now check.
The next one.
1,10,100.
Ma'am, this much is okay.
Now listen now. First listen. We will continue this activity tomorrow. Just for your introduction, I'm telling you today. Okay. Now place all these numbers randomly उल्टा करके अपने डेस्क पे रख दो. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर देखो उल्टे करके एक पेपर पे लगा दिए numbers. These are all other side, plain side है. Number इसके नीचे लिखे हुए. आप अपने डेस्क पे उल्टे करके रख दो randomly. सीरियल ऑर्डर में नहीं. Randomly कोई भी नंबर पहले लिखकर रख दो. Done. And then what you do, you pick any 5. If I give you instructions to pick only 5 digits, तो आप इसमें से any 5 digits को उल्टा करके देखोगे अपनी मर्जी से. कोई से भी 5 digits ले लो. For example,
Ma'am, I have not made this.
bring it tomorrow. Tomorrow again we will do this activity.
Okay, ma'am.
This I am giving you a brief description. Okay. Tomorrow again also you need to bring it, children. Wait. See, I have pasted here. And these all are my ulta numbers. I put them ulta only. Right? Now what you do, I give you instruction, pick only 5 digits. Any 5 digits. So I pick first is this one, which is 2. Then I pick this one, which is 8. I put comma, which is 8. Then I pick the another digit, which is 3. Then I pick the another digit, which is 1. And the last digit which I picked, this is 7. So I got these numbers 2, 8, 3, 1, 7. Clear?
We have to write in the notebook, no?
No, just understand. कल मैं continue कराऊंगी. Just understand इसके पीछे logic क्या है. Which activity is this? I have told you to pick any 5 digits. And the digits are, my digits are 2, 8, 3, 1, 7. Now, out of this number, make 5 digits smallest number. So when we make the smallest number, which digit will come first? Arrange them. When we make the smallest number, we arrange the digits in ascending order. Small to big. So which will come first?
1, 2, 3, 4, 7,
8.
4, 7.
4 नहीं है इसके अंदर ध्वनि. Now you don't put, when we make the digits, पूरा number बन गया 5 digit का. Now you don't put the comma after every digit. Okay. Now we will put the comma according to Indian system. This is our number. We will do this activity tomorrow also. Bring these numbers. You will really enjoy it. Tomorrow again we will do. Okay? Okay, children? Along with these numbers, you need to bring the matchsticks also. I will put today in the classroom to bring the matchsticks. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we put our numbers